Hey, welcome to this mama's house. Today I'm bringing you along with on a day in my life while we're on Christmas vacation. Before we start my day, I wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by Built. I absolutely am obsessed with their protein bars. I'm always on the hunt for a good protein bar that doesn't taste chalky, doesn't have a weird texture, and I finally found one when I tried Built. They are chewy and delicious. They're coated in real chocolate and they taste literally just like a candy bar, but they are so good for you. And especially being pregnant and a mom of so many little ones, a lot of protein is very important for me in my diet, and it always just makes me feel my best. So I actually recently placed an order. So yes, I do buy these myself. I love them that much. It's something that I always want to have on hand. So I actually bought some of the bites, which are smaller than the full-size protein bar. And the reason I did this is because if my kids see these bars, they grab them and they eat them up. They are obsessed with them just as much as I am. There are so many great flavors. My favorite personally is the mint brownie. I am gonna try the caramel macchiato because that's like my favorite type of latte. And like I said, I got the kids some of the bites and I'm really excited for them to see the little mini candy bars and feel special that they get their own bar so they don't steal mom's anymore. But this is a must-have in my diaper bag. I always have a couple of these in my diaper bag. That way if we're out and about and I feel hungry, I can just grab one of these and eat them and I'm good to go. So check out the link in my description box for 10% off Built bars and use my code MAMA'sHouse10. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tabitha. I am a wife and homeschool mom to 5, almost 6 kids, and we are spending a couple days here in Frankenmuth, Michigan, the Christmas capital of the world, and we are so excited to bring you along with. If you've been on my channel for a while, you'll realize obviously we are not at home, but we are currently in our Airbnb that we rented for the night. And I thought it would be fun to give you guys a quick little tour. We got in at about 5 o'clock and right away we had a little experience booked for 5:30. So we went and did that. The kids made Christmas ornaments and it turned out so cool, and it was just a cool learning experience for them. We're about to go inside to make our Christmas ornament.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me.
Downtown at Frankenmuth after that a little bit and tried to find some place to eat, but of course coming to a Christmas town the week of Christmas, we didn't really plan ahead for that and make reservations for dinner. So we just stopped at the grocery store and we brought food here. We have some of it left over, but it was a really good spread. The kids liked it, we enjoyed it, and I think we might go and explore the town a little bit. What do you say? Do you want to go back out? No, he's loving it here. They've got toys. This place is really cool, so let me show you. All right, so this is the side door that we walked in and you get an immediate view of the kitchen. This kitchen is sweet. It's perfect for our big family. I love the island and the open shelving. It's a super, super cute kitchen. And then you swing around this way and they have the main bathroom, which, oh my gosh, look at this clawfoot tub. I am totally taking a bath tonight in here. They even have like Epsom salts and bath bombs. Super, super cool. Cute little bathroom here. Love it. The kids have all their shoes lined up. So cute. And then when you walk around this way, they do have a laundry room, which I think is awesome because if you were staying for a while, especially with all the kids that I have, you would definitely need to do laundry. So that's there, and then it leads to a backyard. Maybe I'll show you that tomorrow, but it looks really nice and it's fenced in. This is the basement. They ask you not to go down there, but we'll continue on this way with the tour. There's the hubby. You guys don't see him very often. This is a nice large dining room. They even put a little Christmas tree up. That's so cute. The decor in here is awesome. Just a minute. Here is the master bedroom. Oh cool, a new toy. Huge king bed and some awesome artwork. I love the style here. And every bedroom, there's 5 bedrooms here. Every bedroom has a huge TV. I don't know what my camera's doing. It's being finicky, but there's also a closet. I hung my coat up in there. This is like an old house, like super solid doors, lots of character here, and we're like right downtown. Over here is the living room. Nice. You like it over here? Yeah. There's a big bucket of toys that I had found, and they're currently watching Beauty and the Beast. Hopefully I don't get flagged for that song. This over here is like the little entrance, so that's the front door. Whoa, what did you get? You found that toy too? So many cool things. All right, and then this is the upstairs. You better be careful, these stairs are kind of steep, but I will bring you up to show you all of the kids' bedrooms. They were so excited to know that there was 5 bedrooms that they could pick from. You are a good climber. Oh my goodness, and another toy. What a cool place. So here is the first bedroom. Look at, like I said, every room has a TV. I'm gonna turn the light on for a sec. But the decor in here is so cute. So cool. You like that? Let's go see more rooms. So there's a room right here. This one's like a glam room. I love the nightstand. So cute. Another TV. Huge dresser. This room I think is my favorite.
So you walk in and then there's a huge
It's
closet.
like a closet. Oh, you guys put your stuff? Nice.
And
They even have baby cribs. Joey won't sleep in it, but
I have the smallest TV though.
but this is so cute.
And there's even high cabinets.
And I love how the ceiling is just, oh wow.
There's 4 of them.
This is just a cute little like loft type room.
Look at like the decor over here. I just love that.
So aesthetic. And then it connects to the bathroom. So there's like built-in storage, a nice shower, vanity, toilet. Oh, they were looking around in here. This is so cute. All right, so stairs, bedrooms, and there's another bedroom over here with 2 beds in it. And this is Louie and Joey's, isn't it? And these beds are big. These are like definitely full beds, I think. I don't think they're queens, but. And another TV. Wow, that's so cool. I love this house so much. We would totally live in a house like this. It's so cute. Do you like it, Joey? No comment. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs and talk to Ryan and see what our plans are for the night. So we have decided that we are going to go explore Frankenmuth downtown. Most of the shops are closed. It's getting close to 10 o'clock, but it will be fun to go and see the lights, and we're not going to be here tomorrow night when it's dark, so we're going to take advantage of it and go explore the little town. Day 2 in Frankenmuth, Michigan. We woke up this morning and got out of the house. Checkout time was 10 a.m. and we just went to T-Dubs for breakfast. It was really yummy, and now we're all ready to go and walk around town, do a little bit of shopping, and enjoy some time together.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy.
We're back in the car. Shopping around town was really fun. It's a nice day. It's not too cold. But now we are headed over to the Bavarian Lodge. They have an indoor mini golf course. So we're gonna go and check that out and go golfing with the kids. Back to the covered bridge. Mini golf was fun. What do you guys think? Did you have fun playing mini golf?
Yeah.
We are hungry, so we're gonna get some. Oh, we're hungry and thirsty. You're on the covered bridge and somebody else is coming. We got this big car. People don't know that you're supposed to take turns, I guess. But anyways, we are on our way to find some lunch, which is kind of hard to do in this town because the wait is always long, especially this time of year when it's literally the week of Christmas, and here we are. Christmas time. Scratch that. We're gonna go shop more at this place right here. But maybe we'll find food along the way. So we've got most of the kids excited to continue on. We got one kid that's ready to go home.
And I'm ready to park and have fun.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We never found food. So definitely hungry, and we definitely found some things to buy. We had a good shopping trip, but now we're here at a really exciting place. You may know of what it is. It's Bronner's Christmas Wonderland, the largest Christmas store in the world. It sounds like we have some sort of gremlin in the back seat.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
Hey, we are back from Frankenmuth, back home. We had a really fun trip, and I hope that this just put you in the Christmas spirit. If you ever get a chance to come to Michigan, Frankenmuth is a must-see. You can go to Bronner's any time of year, to the largest Christmas store in the world. We ended up getting a couple things. I got an Advent wreath and like an Advent calendar where there's little slots to put stuff in. The kids each picked something out, and it was just a lot of fun to go there. And I also wanted to share this video just to kind of inspire you that you can take a little family trip and you don't have to make it this huge, long, extended thing. We made great memories in like 24 hours, and the kids will have those memories forever, especially with having this video. So that's another reason I like to capture some of our fun times so that we can look back on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and don't forget to check out Built Bar down in the description box. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love.